Super Bowl is right around the corner, and today I am transforming some simple nuts into a bold, spicy trail mix with a twist that's guaranteed to be a touchdown. So let's get started. My name is Marletta, and I'm here to help you spice up your dishes with bold flavors that enhance and not overpower the dishes that you create. And today's recipe is perfect for that game day that's coming up. It's spicy, sweet, and a salty trail mix that'll keep everyone coming back for more. When it comes to game day snacks, I kind of like to think outside the box, and that's exactly what I did when I created this trail mix. It's a perfect addition to any Super Bowl party, and today I'm excited to share it with you. So whether you're a diehard football fan or just in it for the commercials, this snack is sure to be a touchdown. When I'm going to a party or hosting one, I always try to come up with something new or find a way to put a spin on a previous recipe. I kind of think I hit the nail on the head with this trail mix. It has crunch, spice, sweetness, and a whole lot of deliciousness. The ingredients are pretty simple, and what makes this trail mix unbeatable. You've got nuts, dried fruits, and of course, the star of the show, spices. Each ingredient brings its own unique flavor and texture to the mix. The nuts provide a satisfying crunch, while the dried fruits bring a touch of sweetness and chewiness, and then those spices just kind of tie everything together with a bold kick. So let's dive in. Now here's what you're going to need to create this irresistible trail mix. You're going to need about 6 to 8 cups of mixed nuts. Today I'm using almonds, cashews, and peanuts. And you're going to need 1 cup of melted butter. And just a quick note on the butter, if you're using salted nuts, then use the unsalted butter. And you're also going to need 1 tablespoon of chili lime powder. I'm a huge fan of this Trader Joe's blend. I just get this off of Amazon, and I'll put a link in the video description below. You're also going to need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Now I've got the butter already melted, and I'm just going to dump in my chili powder and the garlic powder and kind of give that a quick mix, and then just pour that over the nuts. The next thing you're going to want to do is just give your nuts a real good stir, just to make sure that everything is nicely coated. Now you're going to put this into a preheated 285-degree Fahrenheit oven for 25 minutes and stir it every 5 minutes during that process. And I'll set the timer and be back with you shortly. Okay, the nuts are out of the oven, and the next thing you want to do is let them cool for a couple of hours. And next, we're going to add in probably about 6 or 7 cups of dried raisins. I've used some golden raisins, some cranberries, a combination of M&Ms, some regular ones, and some peanuts. And then I will add in some pretzels. You're just going to mix all of this together. Make sure you have a big enough pan. The combination of the sweet, spicy, and salty is just really addictive. You're going to like it so much, you might even want to make a double batch. Doesn't this look delicious? But when you combine these ingredients, you get a flavor profile that's not only exciting, but it's just absolutely yummy. The heat from the spices sneak up on you, mingling with the sweetness of the dried fruits and the earthiness of the nuts. It is a match made in heaven. Now, some of you might ask, how spicy is this? Well, even with the chili powder, I would probably give this about a 1 or a 2 on a scale of 1 to 10. I don't think it's spicy at all. I try to make things that appeal to most people, so that's why I didn't add a lot of spice to this. Now, here's a couple of pro tips to make your trail mix even better. Store it in the airtight container to keep it fresh and crunchy. If you want to add sunflower seeds or pretzel sticks instead of these little pretzel, do that. And play with the spices. If you don't want the spice, leave it out. Trail mix is really forgiving. You can just add just about anything that you want to it. Now it's your turn to elevate your Super Bowl party with this spicy trail mix. Not only is it incredibly tasty, but it is ridiculously easy to make. Simply throw all the ingredients together and you're good to go. If this recipe scored a big hit with you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow game day fans. And don't forget to subscribe for more spicy recipes and party ideas. See you next time. Bye-bye.